guys, if you clicked on this video, that must mean that you know a little something or want to know a little something about automotive detailing. And well, my name is Amanda, daughter of the founder and co-owner of Auto Detailing Pros located right here in southern Minnesota. After almost 10 years in the business, we have decided to expand to an even larger location as well as start this YouTube channel to give you guys a taste of what we do on a day-to-day basis. Over the last few years, we have expanded from a single bay space in a self-serve car wash to industrial garages with more space and more power, finally landing in our brand new 20,000 plus square foot shop. We are a locally owned and operated family business boasting a 4.5 star rating. And in 2019, we also began operating our own branch of a U-Haul, which will be following us to the new shop. So having a detailing business as well as U-Haul meant that finding a place that would meet all of our criteria was going to be a little difficult, but we are very blessed and excited to announce that we have found a location that meets all of our criteria and is on a major highway right here in southern Minnesota, which will give us high visibility as well as the amount of drainage that we need, the amount of high power that we need, storage, and more importantly and most importantly, the high garage doors that we've been seeking in order to do our RV and semi-detailing inside and on-site, being that those are things that we also do mobilely at campgrounds and whatnot. It's something that we're very excited to be able to do indoors at our own shop where we have our own space for storage and whatnot. So we were very blessed to find that, and I couldn't be more excited to introduce you guys to it. So without further ado, let's go check it out. From our employee entrance, you can see the large main shop leading the way. We begin with a single garage door opening up to a spacious shop. The previous owners left behind quite a bit of this metal and wood shelving. You'll notice later on that we have plenty of other space for storage, so we're actually hoping to get some of the shelving out of here in order to create more floor space. Beyond that, we have our typical auto shop restroom, which will be receiving some much needed TLC from me in the coming days. We also have a built-in office that we will honestly be tearing out. It was created with the intention of being soundproof because of all the machinery, but because it's actually the opposite, and because we seek more floor space than anything, we plan on just removing this office. From the video you can see a plethora of options for electricity, which is necessary to run the pressure washers, air compressors, buffers, and other power tools necessary for our trade. We also have several lifts and hoists already installed in both the main shop and the larger bays. Walking into the larger bays, you can just barely see the second loft that we intend to use for storage of overflow tools and chemicals. More noticeable are the 16-foot garage doors furnishing the second part of our new location. These are perfect for semis, pontoons, and RVs, which we detail both in-shop as well as on-site. Just outside the shop, you can see our gorgeous country view just off of a major highway in our area. We intend to put up some more signage, as well as extend the gravel several feet out in front of us in order to stage our U-Haul trucks for pickup and drop-off. While the cement area in front of the garages is ample enough space to pull vehicles in, we will be extending the cemented area on the side of the building to reach a tar entrance to the property. This will allow us to pull freshly finished vehicles out of the barn door of the shop without ever touching the gravel, thus keeping the exterior of the vehicles clean. So on top of the things that need adding, like cement and gravel, and the things that need removing, like the office and shelving, we're also cleaning the walls, removing several layers of thick dirt that have been acquired from the machinery over the years, in order to return the walls back to white, to help create more of a reflection from our lighting and help us see better to detail. We at Auto Detailing Pros are incredibly lucky to have a team of amazing people willing to do crazy things to get this building exactly how it needs to be to function as our shop, including climbing shelves to wash these ridiculously dirty walls. Got a lot to go. So as you guys can see, we've really got our work cut out for us over the next week between pouring concrete and cement and ripping out offices and shelving and scrubbing walls, on top of bringing in everything that we need of our own supplies in order to get the shop ready to go and functioning. So hopefully when I see you guys next week and every week after that, we can dive into the fun stuff like paint correction, metal polishing, stain removal, carpet shampooing, headlight restoration, and all of the good stuff. So on that note, you guys, stay safe and stay healthy this week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and we'll see you next week.